23-year-old Cole McAnany is making a splash. The Reagan High School grad is an accomplished swimmer who, back in November, made the cut to qualify for the Olympic trials in Omaha, Nebraska.
I think it's important to be able to set a goal for yourself and kind of envision yourself accomplishing that goal, whether it be at night when you're going to bed or in the water training in the middle of a hard set.
Even in the middle of a pandemic, McAnany was able to accomplish another major milestone, graduating from the United States Air Force Academy as a second lieutenant.
Our class was actually, I'm pretty sure, the first class in history to graduate early.
Shortly after that, he was accepted into the world-class athlete program, allowing him and other Air Force Olympic contenders to train full-time for the trials.
Now I'm able to take advantage of that opportunity and that program to be able to train for the Olympics coming up here in 2021. And at the same time, being able to serve as an Air Force officer and be able to serve my country at the same time.
He's making waves both in the water and on land, and says it's all about grit and determination, something the Reagan swim team prepared him for early on.
In high school, we had practice every morning, Monday through Friday. You gotta have a competitive spirit. You gotta have the will to prepare every day in the water, to be able to trust the process.
And for now, that process includes training and swimming twice a day until the Olympic trials, where this former NEISD kid will compete with swimmers from across the nation to earn a spot on Team USA in the Tokyo Olympics next summer.
You gotta be able to want it and want the win over the person next to you.